Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how you can easily unlink your Twitch account from your Ubisoft account. It's very easy, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred browser and head down to ubisoft.com. Now from there you sign into your Ubisoft account in the top right corner, where the icon appears. Now once you've done that, you can press it and open up the account management right here. This will open up a new tab in your browser, and that's the account information. Now here we scroll down till we find the linked accounts, and inside the linked accounts you find the Twitch option right here. Now here you can simply press unlink, and what this will do, it will unlink Twitch from your Ubisoft account. Here simply check the box and press unlink. Now what this will do, it will do it automatically, and that's about it. Now your Twitch and Ubisoft account have both been unlinked from each other, and that's it. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. It helps me a lot, and thanks for watching.